Okay, so welcome to Dark Gold Media Cloud Studio. And I was here messing around a little bit. So let's clean up the thing so we can give you guys a firm, clean demonstration of what's going on. Let's get the body up. Okay. So you guys are you familiar with the different pages that we can create in the program. And this demonstration is to show you how we can create a quick about page. We bring a template up. We had put stuff here right here in the window of the template, and we went to the page title and we enter the title. And now, all we need to do now is go ahead and insert that into the body, okay? And generate that and take a look at that, and then we have a nice about page, right? So that's how easy it is to create a about page. While we're at that point right there, let's do this to show you can automatically write more stuff in there, but you need to remove the page title so it doesn't print up in the page, and you can go and add a few more, right, to make your page more dynamic or larger or more information. Say you didn't want to add all in one box, but you just want to do sections. Yes, okay. So now it appears with different sections in there. And so it corresponds to the about page here, and you can also do terms of the page and even an help page, right? So in the future, we'll show you how you can create a help support page that even comes with a form, right, to work with it. Okay, so while we're at that, there's two types of about pages that you can create within the program. And I'm going to show both of them right now. Okay, so in the future, we will have different style of templates and different things, but now we're working with the default template in the program. So we're going to do what we call about page, but about page that comes with an image, right? So I saved an image here too. So let's grab the image that I saved here, and we'll go to the generator itself, and we'll paste that up. No, but my bad. That's in the video screen right there. Now we're gonna paste that in the poster, right? So the image will appear because I try to consolidate and use stuff in the program that's already existing there. Grab a field, come over here, make a button, inject the image inside there for me. When you do that, okay, we'll need to let's see what we're gonna put in there. Okay, so let's use my little click. I have stuff pre-saved, so I use one finger to just do a thing. Okay, and we go to text tool and insert right there. But we'll also remove the about, and then we can continue to clean out the area, insert another text, clean out what you want to do, add another text, clear out, and add another text. Okay, and then we can shut that off. So we just created that a new about page, right? And we can take a look at that. Okay, so that's another set of page that you can just quickly create. So you see, when I'm saying creating page, it is seamless, right? Just seamless to creating pages there. So if you understand the program, it's not going to really take you long to say, okay, that you will create the page, right? So we're going to grab this right here. So we're going to utilize this for you and do some things right here. So we're going to go over here and we're going to call our list builder, and we're going to clear out this area right here. So then now we can definitely just do that, right? Okay, we want to clear this too. And let's go ahead and grab some of the same text that we are using. I like to just use stuff that are around here. Let's grab this example little text right here and utilize that as the product for the shopping cart. Is what I'm saying. So shopping carts are stuff you can put in your PayPal email and stuff like that while creating stuff. You know, you can create a product into your PayPal email. It will connect. Okay. Um, now let's clear this. I think we need to do a clear, and go ahead and send a card there, right? And we make sure that we had nothing in the area right here. That's cool. And we can generate that, and we can see what's going on. So then we just create a shopping cart, a button, text, and the label, the image, and things like that. Okay, that's how easy it is to do that. Okay, now as we did that right there, we can now change up the stuff, right? Really change it up. Okay, let's just take out some of this little bit of text right here. And so what we're gonna do now, instead of we're gonna add some like related, what they call a related product or something like that. But then we need some separation. If you don't separate it, it's gonna go haywire. So that's the stuff that we'll try to tell people. Okay, like you're gonna tweak something. So we're gonna want something to come in there. And what we're gonna need to do here before we actually begin is to tweak the program, right? So now I'm gonna tweak the program. It's a section, right? And we'll just clear that right there, no lead, but I'm like, okay, maybe we can do two of them, but I have a little trick said, okay, you can do stuff like this and create a break. Now, once that's done in your program, you can go back to your product list because you're going to put your related. So you can go ahead and also enter within this paragraph right here, related products, right? And that'll come up above. So I'm not going to do that now because one hand is holding the mic and one hand is on the mouse, right? So I'm going to do what we're doing now. Okay, we're going to go back to here, and we're going to say insert 1, 2, 3, 4. And so we just inserted 4 related products. All right. What's we got now? I'm here doing that, okay. So we'll check up on this end, and so we want to see everything clear, and we'll go ahead and generate again. Okay. So now, it's a you're creating a shop page, and you want it your related product. So a lot of stuff is tweaking. Now, like I said, there in the area, let's show you something. Because what I've been doing, I should have did that when I was setting up everything. Okay, let's go up, and we'll come down to the section. And yes, right here between the section. Okay, and clear. Remove. It's okay. So right here where you grab the text, it's out. We needed to make it come in this far back anyways. But in other words, the label that will represent your related product. But you can do more better code to make it appear. So you see what's going on there? Easy to create a product page. Now, each of these products that you created right here could have just had your PayPal information in it. So you click on it, it's going to go to the buy window. And even this one carries your PayPal information to go right to the buy window. So if you went to PayPal and you had 4 different products over there at PayPal, and you set them up like that, okay, and you come over and you use this, in no time you will have a page that you can reuse. So it's kind of a subscription. It's kind of really worth it, don't you think? Right? Because it's making that easy, right? Okay. And you know it's a video and video sequence. So at the same time, look at this. I'm gonna show you something else. Okay. So we're gonna go. Okay, let's use one of my videos. Use my player to innovate something. To innovate a thing. Okay. We'll go drop that there. Okay. And we'll just say player. We'll come here. We'll clean this out. We'll do this and we'll generate. Okay. So also, if you're creating a page, so there's a ways of, we be having different ways of you mixing stuff, making the player small, doing other stuff. But just show you that, hey, check this. You have shopping cart, you have the product, you have videos, right? And let's take it a little bit more. This is where the part that we showed you that you can mix a lot of stuff together. Okay, and let's bring this guy back up, right? And we can go drop some text there, right? Close that out, generate, play back, and we got a bunch of text there on the bottom, right? So also, like I said to you about, I did it, but I have not finished turning the regular HTML into Java code that I can say, okay, you can now insert. Next time you see I do an interview, you see now you can say, okay, put the form in, and you can put a form in there at the same time. So thanks seeing just this demonstration of the HTML5 future generated program that now called Dark World Generator Media Studio. If you view